Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second lesson in Learn to Speak Persian Fast series. I am Reza. Started with the new words. In each lesson, we will review some new words. The title of this lesson is Greeting, or in Persian, Ahval Porsi. Ahval Porsi means greeting. The first word is Salam. Salam. ممنون 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 Merci 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 also means thank you. خوبی خوبی چطوری چطوری is similar to خوبی. Both of them mean how are you. اسم 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 means name. اسم فامیل اسم فامیل last name or family name. ببخشید ببخشید آن آن این بله بله استاد استاد means teacher. در در means door. It also means inside. شما شما کلاس کلاس نه نه means no. نه متشکرم 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 means thank you. Okay, let's practice the previous words. I read the new words and you have time to repeat after me. Salam. You can also guess the meaning of words. Salam. ممنون مرسی خوبی چطوری چطوری اسم 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 فامیل اسم فامیل ببخشید آن این بله استاد استاد در شما کلاس نه متشکرم. Thank you for watching this video.